You know what they call me? What? They call me Victor Slip Fist through brick, twist that clip. You know what they call me? They call me Clutch God V, Manual King, 3-pedal fiend. You know what they call me? They call me Gaskin Prophet, Street Light Bandit, Chrome Job Gambit. You know what they call me? Tell them. They call me Vic the Wicked, ticket flipping lunatic with a Civic.
I'm the seatbelt reaper, red line screamer, gas leak dreamer with a half-dead beamer. Handshake, still shift perfect, I mean it. Heartbeat sync with the RPM reading. Nicknames stack like Warrens do, each one earned when the brakes went through. They call me Vic the Quick Fix, backlot saint. Wrench hand priest with oil for paint. Laugh like a turbo, talking metal. Argue with ghosts in the instrument panel. My brain got nitrous, my lungs got smoke. I crash on purpose just to see if I choke. Whole crowd chanting Vicks, Vicks, Vicks. And I'm just revving that mental brick. They call me Kick Door Moses, Hydraulic Cane. Baptized beats and premium flame. Rim split rascal, chrome knee kid. Once bit a mirror cause I liked how I did. Gasoline haircut, ego bold. Sold my soul for a gearbox gold. Mr. Shift lock, shockwave, tongue like tire iron. Laughing court while the judge start firing. Vic don't stop, Vic don't think. I rhyme so fast my shadow blink. Every nickname burned in chrome. Every bar sound like breaking bone. They call me Spark Plug Prophet, flesh tone fuse. I rap like a gun with nothing to lose. You know what they call me? What? They call me Victor Slip Fist through brick, twist that clip. You know what they call me? They call me Clutch God V, Manual King, 3-pedal fiend. You know what they call me? They call me Gaskin Prophet, Street Light Bandit, Chrome Jaw Gambit. You know what they call me? Tell them. They call me Vic the Wicked, ticket flipping lunatic with a Civic. Call me Mr. Meltdown, brain cell glitch. Argue with walls till the plaster switch. Skid mark, Messiah, tire, fire, priest. I eat beats like mechanical feast. The elastic tongue gymnastic, bars too toxic for closed caption traffic. Dashboard, oracle, grease palm lord. Spoken sparks till the mic got bored. Nickname game like tattoo stack. Everyone hurt but I still came back. I'm shift key shaming, backseat devil. Punchline sharper than a chrome bevel level. Who is Vic? Depends on day. 1 minute cool, next minute stray. My car got fillers, my mic got mood. I rap like a storm on fast food fuel. Vic the flick, Vic the trick, Vic the click, boom slick. What he do? Snap that beat, spin that wheel. Say weird things that the real ones feel. Who he was, just a blur in heat. Heartbeat sound like a subwoofer beat. Street light surgeon, gas mask news. Nickname count like breaking news. I'm the chrome spine lunatic, tongue drone runner. Metal mic stand, still spit thunder. Nickname king, alias god. Brain don't fit in a normal pod. They call me Victor feedback, amp port ripper. Neon vein vandal, gear shift clipper. I'm Mr. Boombox, nerve and live wire rap like I'm falling off a church choir. Voice crack, make the beat restart. Car door slamming, 4/4 part. Never slow, never breathe, never pray. Speedy Vic, Victor tape, Victor tape, Victor cape. They call me Victor noise, Victor vice. Eyes, half dead angel on motorbike eyes. Whole block spin when I say my tag. Vic too quick for the brain to lag. Whoa, what they call me? What? They call me Victor Slip Fist through brick, twist that clip. You know what they call me? They call me Clutch God V, Manual King, 3-pedal fiend. You know what they call me? They call me Gaskin Prophet, Street Light Bandit, Chrome Jaw Gambit. You know what they call me? Tell them. They call me Vic the Wicked, ticket flipping lunatic with the Civic. Yeah, you know what they call me, young blood. Young slow. But I don't answer the names, I answer the noise.